If we didn't exist, there would be a significant number of people would not be able to access the services that they require. So if you were to have a major motor vehicle accident and have multiple trauma, Laura Fergusson Brain Injury Trust provides you with all of those services to support you to recover and everything in between. Miles Toyota have been excellent supporters since 2021. We've built a relationship over the last couple of years with Miles Toyota, who have provided a number of supports for us. When we opened a new community housing cluster in Te Arawai Place, Miles Toyota gave us a RAV4 vehicle, which has been a fantastic resource for the people who live there. We are so appreciative of companies like Miles Toyota for their support.